Great. It's very important for outreach for every disease, especially sickle cell, because people don't know about it. When people don't know about it, they're not necessarily going to advocate for it. They're not going to go ahead and look for funding, because it seems like, oh, there's a lot of diseases, but they don't understand how prevalent it is. So it's important, and I have a lot of respect for the work that they do in advocating for making sure that sickle cell gets the correct funding and the treatments that are necessary, so that one day there will be a cure. So
yes, and I hope, that you young people will be there with us finding the cure for that. This administrator came in here 2 weeks ago, right? They love the program, they want to continue the program, and we're even going to go further with the program here with that. And we are just so really fortunate and to have the young people that come in here and do these for us. And they come in and do different part. Old Westbury, we have this beautiful happens that one of them graduated and he's moving on to college. He's already registered. We just sent him a congratulation, not a congratulation, was not a resume, a letter of recommendation, to him. And so they come in, they graduate, they get that because they need that. So we just want to thank you so much for, like you said, this time that you've been here and came in and learned so much. And they go back to the school and they tell the school about what they learned here. I know your place, Miss Margaret, she didn't even know because one of the gentlemen didn't talk. He was so quiet. And she was so excited to know that he came here and he learned so much. And he's my beautiful one too. He's moving on. Miss BG, who is really my right hand. And they come back again too. They not only leave the program, a lot of them come back and say, Miss Rochester, I want to stay with you and I want to do with you. So we must have been doing something good here for them. Next week now we'll be having a new student from Touro come in. So that's the way that the revolving door. They learn, they gone on, and then this new student come in and I have to orientate them again. So that's the only drawback, which I don't get a vacation, I'm here, but it's lovely. And the board member that we have, Ms. Seals, who is the youth coordinator director, matter of fact, she's done a magnificent job there with her youth. And she even rebridged with the library. Miss, why you want to speak? You want to speak a little bit, please, Ms. Seals?
I'm a retired educator, and Mrs. Rochester loves to give me your title.
Yes, you will. Yes.
But really, I chair the Education/Youth Outreach Committee, and I have other committee members who work with me. And what we've been doing is giving an information session at the Queens Library, because I'm also part of the Queens Public Library. And it's free, it's open to the public, and we share information just as, it's Ari? Ari?
I shot it out.
Okay, share with us. And they come, they get materials, and library managers hear about that, and then they want us to come to their library. So we're going to St. Albans Public Library, Mayfair. This will be an information session. But I have a question. I took biology 101 in high school, and we studied about plants, how when they're fertilized and how you get different color plants.
Right.
And it reminds me of this, and I'm wondering, I listened to what you said, if you have one parent without the trait and one with the trait, we don't see a diagram for that, but would it be similar to?
So this would be an example of one with the trait and one perfectly healthy, so you can see.
I made a mistake.
One with the disease.
The full sickle cell. That's what I meant.
One
to
with
say.
full sickle cell.
One would be totally red.
Right.
One
So
gray and one red.
So basically, if there were one with completely